In this video, we'll be explaining the features and operation of the TC-1000 temperature control system from CWE. The complete TC-1000 system comes with controller, thermistor probe for mouse, cat, or rat, heating pad for mouse, cat, or rat, line cord, and instruction manual. For this demonstration, I'll be using this stuffed mouse that has a mass of metal that can be heated inserted inside of it. At the startup of the TC-1000, the user can select the size pad that they're using by pressing in the temp set knob. Cat, mouse, or rat-sized animals are selectable. For this demonstration, because I'm using the mouse pad, I'm going to leave it on mouse. If no selection is made, the default will be made after 9 seconds. As the controller heats, let's go over the display and the information that it's telling us. This top line is temp. This is the actual temperature being read by the thermistor probe and being reported to the TC-1000. The next line is set. This is the user-selected set temperature, the desired temperature at which they'd like the TC-1000 to reach. This line here, 0.5, is the alarm band. This is the amount in Celsius below or above the set temperature that the TC-1000 will alarm at. Next, we see alarm. This tells us that the set temperature and the actual temperature are outside of this alarm band. We also see that this LED is lit. This last line is a visual indication of the amount of current being delivered to the pad. Finally, this M shows us that we are using a mouse size pad. If we saw a C here, it would be for a cat, or an R for rat. Also on the front panel, we have the temperature monitor output. This is a voltage that corresponds to the temperature being read and reported by the TC-1000. For example, at 35.8, the BNC would be reporting 3.58. To change the set temperature, we would use the temp set knob, rotating it either clockwise or counterclockwise to the user's desired set temperature. To change the alarm band, we press in the set knob and then turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. While we're highlighting the front panel and its display, if the probe were to be disconnected or not connected, we would get the check temperature probe, and this little error light would light up. Let's highlight some warming strategies to improve the operation. It's important that the probe be either in contact with the pad or inserted into the animal. The temperature controller works best when it gets a constant feedback between the pad and the probe. Some customers place the probe between the animal and the pad. Of course, others insert it rectally. Another way to improve response is to drape something over the animal, if possible, to reduce the amount of heat being lost. This completes the explanation and operation of the TC-1000 temperature control system by CWE.